How to fix Messenger video call camera settings. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and in today's video we will see how we can fix if your Messenger video call is not working properly in your Android device. So without any further delay, let's get started. If you're trying to make a Messenger video call in your device and due to some reasons you are not able to make a call, here is what you can do is, first of all, you have to make sure that your Messenger application is updated. Now to check that, open a Play Store in your device. Navigate to the search bar from the bottom right corner, and in the search bar, search for Messenger. If your application is missing out any updates due to which you are not able to make a call, you will have an update option where I have open. Simply tap on update, and once the application is updated, you can go back and check whether you can make a call or not. If still not, then you have to make sure that you have allowed permission for Messenger to access your camera or your microphone. Now to check that, again open up settings in your device. Then tap on apps. Tap on see all apps. Tap on the search icon from the top right corner and search for Messenger. Once you're on the app info page of Messenger, scroll down a bit and then tap on permission. Here make sure you have allowed permissions to both camera and microphone. If not, tap on it and then allow permission. And again do the same with microphone as well. Now after you go back, now you will be able to make a Messenger video call, and that's how you fix the Messenger video call camera settings. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.